Hello, good day. I am April Manuel, 39 years old. I am married with the three kids, ages 18, 16, and 6. I have work experience before in Kuwait for 6 years and one employer as a nanny and household helper. My duties responsibility as a nanny is planning for their meals, preparing and cook for them food, feed them, bring them to the bathroom to take shower and change clothes. Indoor and outdoor play, also for their homework, I help for them. I scheduling their nap time. Also for the newborn, from time to time, I always check their diaper to avoid rashes. Aside from this, I also do cleaning, like vacuuming, mopping, dusting, change beddings. I also wash and ironing clothes, marketing and cooking. Also, I worked in UAE for 4 years and 3 months for only one employer. Also, I'll take care also for kids ages 2, 4, 5, and 7. I also I also feed for them, preparing their meals, send and take them back from the school, help them for their homework, indoor and outdoor play. Also shower them, change clothes for the toddler. Also, I also do cleaning, like vacuuming, mopping, dusting, change bedding. I also do marketing and cooking. Also wash and ironing clothes, gardening, and wash two cars. For my future employers, I hope I am the better candidate you are looking for. I am a trustworthy, fast learner. I am efficient. I am a loyal. I am a good listener and follow the rules. I am open also to learn new skill as needed. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my kids for their financial expenses. Also in Hong Kong, they give higher wages than my previous job. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.